I started this one on the 23rd, and this is looking at the second sorrowful mystery, scourging or scourging at the pillar. So this is a reference to Jesus being whipped, and not in a 50 Shades way, I assume. In one of the passages, there's a reference to a thong. Could that refer to a sandal strap, as in the ankh? Could it be a flail that Osiris used to like to play with? Thresh wheat, which would be a grain reference. Or is there a connection between scourge and Scorpio? Latin for flagrum, apparently. There's also a reference to the pillar, which is something that holds up something else, as in the sky. Which, interestingly, I think I kind of see here a bit in this picture. It's kind of semi-formless. It's this idea of an arch, separation between the ground and the above, at least. There's this little window sort of where people are looking through and you can see the light. To me, this looks like a mound of earth. This is at the bottom, by the way, with a sort of T-cross on it, but it's at a slight angle, bowing down under it, and a little lizard head peeking through at the top. And then on the right-hand side, it's like somebody riding on a big horse, for want of a better term. At the bottom, it's like two people hugging, or someone trying to restrain somebody else. And then in front of the person who's riding a horse or whatever it is, there's this sort of floating head that's kind of attached to that lizard we saw earlier. So this is the top where you see somebody, like I say, in the sky. I've deliberately not tried to find too much form. The people's heads end up looking like archways. And the people in the sky are vomiting on the people below, which is always nice. I assume that's like giving them energy, speaking or something like that, and not actual puke. There's just a closer view of that disembodied head. Again, it's quite Janus-like because there is a face or two at the front as well. And there is this kind of like light green body that it's attached to. So again, up in the sky, there looks like somebody there with like a bull with horns perhaps, and this green person looking at them, possibly in a standoff. Lots of other bits and pieces as well. There's this female figure up in the sky as well, with an orange dress on. She kind of makes up a number 4 as well in a weird way. I don't know how she managed to get herself stranded up there. And there's a green male face off to the left, quite glowing. So I have no idea what really happened. Looks like there was quite a lot going on and a fair few people around. Thanks for listening, and please like and subscribe.